going. Today, we're going to discuss Nimble versus Go High Level, which is the better CRM for you. Now, at first, let's look at the Nimble's page. They said that they cut your prospecting and lead generation time in half. So they'll take all the leads for you, they'll streamline all the contacts, they'll manage repeatable process and scale personalized outreach, things like that. What you get for the top features are relationship management, social profile matching, browser and email extension, sales pipelines, workflows and automation, and all these things. You can also click on see all features and you'll see that they do have a bunch of stuffs like pipeline, and then you can integrate apps, things like that. Now let's look at Go High Level. Go High Level is basically, I would say, something that is all in one. Okay. They capture new leads by allowing you to have websites, funnels, landing page. You can even have drag and drop surveys and forms. You can also get online appointment scheduling, all these things. You can nurture the leads into customers. This is extremely important. They also have, if I'm not wrong, AI integrated to it. Also, fully automated booking. So it's like anytime leads are coming in, they will start texting them, hey, we see you were interested. Are you willing to do this? Do my calendar, things like that. Create membership areas, all those things. Now, if you're just a small business and you are focusing on client relationship, I would say Nimble is probably the way to go, as you can see, solopreneurs. But let's say you have an agency, you need to book meetings, you need to have a lot of different things in places, you need funnels, you need a lot of varieties of integrations. In that case, high level is the way to go. I have used high level personally myself, and there's almost nothing that you cannot do with high level. So please go high level. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.